Hey, MathKook here. This video contains one of many examples in my Algebra 2 library. The rest of those examples, along with hundreds of other videos, are only available at mathkook.com. Let's MathKook it up. This question says, write the expression 2 log base 5 of x plus log base 5 of y plus 4 log base 5 of z as the log of a single quantity. All right, so let's go ahead and bring down our log expression here. We want to combine these three logs to one log. Now, we want to eventually use this formula here to combine our logs. So if we have the addition of a bunch of logs, we basically combine them and then multiply the arguments. So in this case, the arguments are m and n, so we multiply them, and now we have one log. And we can apply this for as many logs as we want. In this case, we have 3 logs. But notice here, the coefficient of both these logs is 1. So right now we have a coefficient of 4 here and 2, but we need to somehow get rid of those coefficients. So what do? So we are going to apply this rule here, where if we have a coefficient in front of a log, we are going to move it to the exponent. All right, so we're going to take this 2 and 4, and we're going to move it to the exponent here of the argument. So let's go ahead and do that first as our first step. So this becomes log base 5 of x squared plus log base 5 of y plus log base 5 of z to the 4th power. All right, so now this is really nice. We have 3 separate logs, all positive, and they all have a coefficient of 1 out front. So now we can apply this rule and multiply the arguments and make it just one log. So let's go ahead and do that. This will become log base 5. It'll become x squared times y times z to the 4th. All right, so there is our log, and we have condensed all 3 of these log terms into one single log quantity, which is log base 5 of x squared y times z to the 4th. Hey Kook, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. For unlimited access to all of my Algebra 2 videos, visit mathkook.com. Thanks for watching.